Hello guys, welcome to Education Mark. In this video, we'll talk about Tech Mahindra Round 2 syllabus 2021, and we'll also going to see what type of section we have to face during round second of Tech Mahindra, and also what is the timing for particular section, and we can go back in particular section or not. All of the discussion we will going to see in this video. So there will be a 12 section and 2 hour which you will get in Tech Mahindra second round, and 1 to 4 section have 30 questions, and in fifth section you will get one coding question, and 6 to 12 section you will get 35 MCQs questions. So round of first to 4 is time bound. It means you will get a particular time in this section, and you have to do all the question in particular time. But in other section which is 5th to 12, you will get a fixed time 90 minutes. In this 90 minutes you have to attempt all the questions. So first section is fluid intelligence, or you can say non-verbal. So you will get 8 questions and 8 minutes, and these are the topics which you will get in this section: analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, cube, dice, and other basic topic which normally asked in campus drives. Second section is analytical ability. So you will get 8 questions and 8 minutes, and topic like a puzzle, sitting arrangement, blood relation, matrix format, and other basic topics. Third section is numerical ability, 8 questions, 8 minutes, and topics: percentage, average, partnership, profit loss, interest, time, work, speed, distance. And after that fourth section is verbal ability. So you will get a 6 question and a 6 minute is a timing for this section, and the topics which normally we have to prepare: synonyms, antonyms, fill in the blanks, spot error, substitution, transformation, sentence improvement, odd words, and other basic topics of verbal ability. So you have to also double check the procedure of Tech Mahindra. What I got from the different resources for Tech Mahindra round 2, I shared with you. So after that 90 minutes you will get in 5th to 12th section, and 5th section will be a hands-on program or a coding section, and 7th to 12th question is a technical MCQs question. So 6th section is a data structure section, and you will get 5 questions in this section. 7th section is algorithms. You will get a 5 question in this also, and add Linux, and 9 pseudocode. 10th one is a database query. 11th software testing concept, and 12th one is a software testing methodology. So you will get 5 questions each of them, and you have a fixed particular time 90 minutes for all of these sections. So you have to manage accordingly. Guys, if you are confused about the non-HD tech hiring mail or psychometric mail, so you can watch my previous video which I have made yesterday. So thank you guys. If you feel that this video is beneficial for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, so you can get more update like this type of videos. Thank you.